always do the camera backwards. That's insane. Okay, well, while the camera is facing that way, what we have here is beignets with the works. That's with raspberry and dark chocolate. Traditional beignets with powdered sugar. We've got some El Guapo pulled pork tacos. We've got a fresh pizza from Firestone Oven. And Betty is over here chewing down on a pasta delectable.
Not pasta, it is a comfort bowl.
A what?
Comfort.
A comfort bowl. What's in the comfort bowl, Betty?
It is dressing.
Talking to the mic.
It is dressing and pulled pork, barbecue sauce, coleslaw, and I had them add grilled onions and peppers, and I also had them add tomatoes and a flaky crust.
Holy cow! That's a whole lot within that bowl. Oh boy! And barbecue sauce. Woo! Well, I'm gonna dig into this beignets with the works and see how that does.